Cash App in Nigeria, you got questions, we got answers. Host, ever since your friend started raving about this Cash App thing, you've been wondering, can you even use Cash App in Nigeria? I mean, it seems like all the cool financial tools these days are built for the US market, leaving us on the outside looking in. Well, hold on to your hats, because today we're cracking the code on Cash App and Nigeria. Let's be honest, sending and receiving money can be a hassle in Nigeria. Between bank transfers with crazy fees and that awkward uncle who always forgets to pay you back, sometimes you just want a smoother way to manage your cash. Cash App seems to offer that. Send money to friends, invest a bit, get that paycheck in early, but is it all just a pipe dream for Nigerians? The short answer and the not so short answer. All right, I know you want the answer. Here it is. Cash App, as of today, is not officially available in Nigeria. That means you won't find it in the Nigerian App Store or Google Play Store. But wait, there's more. This doesn't necessarily mean you're completely out of luck. There are a few things to consider, and we're going to explore all your options. Why Cash App isn't officially in Nigeria? There are a few reasons why Cash App might not be available yet. Regulations around financial services can vary greatly by country. Cash App would need to comply with Nigerian banking laws and regulations to operate legally. Additionally, building the infrastructure to support a whole new market takes time and resources. So, what can you do? Alright, so Cash App isn't the Nigerian dream come true, yet. But fear not, there are still ways to manage your money digitally and ditch the old school hassles. Here are a few alternatives to consider. Nigerian fintech apps. The good news is, Nigeria has a booming fintech scene. There are several Nigerian-based apps that offer similar features to Cash App, like sending and receiving money, paying bills, and even investing. Do some research and see what options resonate with you. Popular choices include PalmPay, Paystack, and Kuda Bank. International money transfer services. If you need to send or receive money internationally, there are established services like WorldRemit and Wise that specialize in secure and efficient money transfers. These might be a good option if you need to connect with friends or family abroad. Important note, always do your research before using any financial app or service. Make sure they are reputable and secure. The future of Cash App in Nigeria. Cash App is constantly expanding its services and reach. Who knows, maybe Nigeria will be next on their list. If you're really interested, keep an eye on Cash App's official channels for any updates about entering the Nigerian market. While Cash App isn't quite there yet for Nigerians, there are plenty of fantastic alternatives available. Explore the Nigerian fintech scene, consider international money transfer services if needed, and stay informed about any future Cash App developments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.